In this video, we're going to work out an individual integral. It's going to be a basic u-substitution integral. We're going to start by letting our u be that sine of 2x. We're going to take the derivative of both sides, so we'll have a du is equal to a 2 cosine of 2x dx. We're going to go ahead and solve all the way down for that dx, so we'll have a du over 2 cosine 2x is equal to our dx. All right, from that point, then we're going to come back up here to our original integral, and we're going to start doing our substitutions. We'll have the integral, the cosine of 2x will still be on top. On the bottom here, we will have, replacing this with a u, we'll have a square root of a u. Replacing dx with what it equals, we'll have a du over a 2 cosine 2x. All right, from there, we're going to be able to take that cosine of 2x and cross it out. We've got the 1/2 right there that we're going to pull out in front of our integral. So then I'm going to have a 1/2. The integral will have a 1 over. I'm going to go ahead and write this as a u to the 1/2 power, and then du. We're now all in terms of u, so now we can start manipulating this. To be able to integrate this, I need this to be a u to the negative 1/2. So then I'm going to have a 1/2, the integral of a u to the negative 1/2 du. This now is going to let us integrate. We will have the 1/2 that's going to be out in front. Integrating here, we're going to add 1. All right, pull it down in front. We're going to have the 2u, adding the 1 will give us a 1/2. And then we'll have the plus c. At this point, we're going to go ahead and change this back into a square root and replace u with what it equals. Crossing out the 1/2 and the 2 as well. So then we're going to have the square root of a sine of 2x and then plus c as a final answer. So pretty much a straightforward u substitution there. Pretty typical there in a Calc 1 class. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, definitely share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.